Are you tired of taking boring and uninspired portraits? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create stunning portraits in manual mode. By following a few steps, you can take your portraits to the next level and create images that truly stand out. First, set your camera to manual mode. Switching your camera to manual mode gives you full control over the camera settings. This is essential when it comes to creating portraits that are sharp, well lit, and beautifully composed. Second, adjust your aperture. The aperture determines the depth of field in your image, and for portraits you want a shallow depth of field to create a blurred background that makes your subject stand out. Choose a low aperture number like f2.8 or f4 for the best results. For step 3, set your shutter speed. Your shutter speed controls how much light enters the camera and for how long. Use a fast shutter speed of at least 1/125th of a second to prevent any motion blur in your portraits. For step 4, adjust your ISO. The ISO controls your camera's sensitivity to light. Choose the lowest ISO possible to avoid introducing grain and noise into your images. By following these simple steps, you can take stunning portraits that will leave lasting impression. So grab your camera and start experimenting today. And if you go over to my website at charlienaebeck.co, you can sign up for my email list and I'll send you a free guide on my method that'll get you shooting in manual mode with your portraits in minutes. Also, if you need any help getting started in manual mode for your portraiture, you can go over to my website and visit the store, and you can click on the Zoom registration. I can do one-on-one lessons with you to get you shooting in manual mode with your portraiture in no time. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing what you create, and have a great day.